Learn the use of na ebute. Na ebute means is carrying in as a verb in sentences. We are going to use this verb na ebute in our sentences right now. Igbo, English. Number 1 sentence says, Ugomma na-ebute nri ahụ. Ugomma na-ebute nri ahụ, meaning Ugomma is carrying that food in. Ugomma is carrying that food in. Ọ na-ebute ya. Ọ na-ebute ya, meaning she is carrying it in. She is carrying it in. Ọ na-ebute ha niile ugbu a. Ọ na-ebute ha niile ugbu a, meaning she is carrying in all of them now. Ego na-ebute ji. Ego na-ebute ji. Ego is carrying in yam. Ọ na-ebute ya na nnukwu ite. Ọ na-ebute ya na nnukwu ite, meaning she is carrying it in a big pot. Ọ na-ebute ya. Ọ na-ebute ya, meaning she is carrying it in. Remember, carrying in is our verb. It means in Igbo, na-ebute, na-ebute. That is why we underline them. We use the same color marker to identify same words, both in Igbo and in English, for easy understanding. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.